If you're under 100 subscribers right now and you're sat there refreshing that page, hoping that that number is going to rise and getting more and more frustrated every time it doesn't, I feel you. I've been there. The good news, you don't have to be. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 proven methods that will get you those 100 subscribers fast. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll give you a bonus trick that has the potential to blow up your channel. Number 1, make videos that answer questions. The quickest and easiest way to get potential subscribers to subscribe to you is to provide them with something valuable. Now you might be thinking, isn't my personality valuable enough? Isn't the entertainment I'm providing enough? And my answer isn't no, it's not yet. When you become famous on YouTube, you can pretty much upload anything you want and people will watch and love it because they love you. Even though I would still recommend creating valuable content at that point. But when you're first starting out, the best way to get people to know you is to help them with something. Now you might be thinking, well, I'm not an educational channel, I'm a gaming channel or a prank channel or a music channel. Does this apply to me? And the answer is yes. No matter what audience you're targeting, they will always have questions that need answering. And the best way to attract their attention is to answer those questions with your videos. Let's say you started a channel about Final Fantasy VII. You wouldn't class that as an educational channel, but that audience absolutely has questions that need answering. You could do a video called How to Defeat the Pride and Joy Prototype in Final Fantasy VII Remake. That's something I personally will probably be looking for in the future because my wife and I are going for the Platinum Trophy on that game. And if I find a video that helps me with that, there's a high likelihood I'll subscribe to that creator to get more content about the game, even if the rest of that content is for entertainment purposes. So how do you find out exactly what questions your audience is asking so you can answer them with your videos? Well, I would go to YouTube, type in the topic of your channel, and then type the words how to next to it. This will list all of the most popular questions people are asking around that topic, ranked in order of the amount of times they've been asked, with the ones at the top having the highest amount of searches. As a new YouTuber, I would make a mix of answering some of those questions from the top of the list, some from the middle of the list, and some from the bottom. The reason you probably shouldn't just focus on the ones at the top is because those are most likely to also have the most competition, and it'll be easier for your videos to rank in search results if there aren't too many similar videos already out there. Number 2. Comment on similar YouTubers' videos. Once you have a few of these ultra valuable videos on your channel, I would seek out other YouTubers who create similar content to you around the same topic, and you'll most likely be already subscribed to these YouTubers because you're already naturally interested in that topic yourself, or you've been looking for inspiration for your own videos. And I would make sure to have all notifications turned on for all of those YouTubers. This way you'll get a push notification on your phone every time they upload a new video. This will allow you to be one of the first people to comment on their videos, which will give you a higher chance of being noticed by them and their subscribers. Now, I would not recommend commenting something like the word first or please like this comment. Those kind of comments are usually ignored, and the goal here is to get as many upvotes as possible so your comment can move to the top of the pile and have long-lasting visibility to an audience who are already interested in the topic of your channel. The best thing you can comment is something positive and encouraging, and if you're struggling with what to say, take a look at that creator's older videos and see what kind of comments have the most upvotes. I wouldn't copy those comments word for word, but just take it as inspiration and craft something yourself that sounds similar. Another thing you could do in the comment section of other YouTubers' videos is actually answer questions that their subscribers have. Once again, providing value to potential subscribers who are already interested in that topic. Number 3, locate your audience outside of YouTube. The third way to get those 100 subscribers fast is to find out exactly where your audience is hanging out off of YouTube and drive them to your channel. One suggestion you might have heard from other YouTubers is to join Facebook groups, and I would absolutely recommend this as a starting point. There are multiple Facebook groups on almost any topic out there, and if you post meaningful content in those groups, you will naturally drive traffic to your channel. Again, just try to avoid being spammy. Don't go in there and just beg people to subscribe to your channel. People are not going to like it, they're going to get irritated, and it's only going to harm your growth in the long run. It's also very likely that that kind of behavior will be against the terms of service of that group, and you might get kicked out. Instead, get involved in genuine discussions, and where you're allowed to, post links to your videos that you genuinely think will provide value to that group. Also guys, be careful to not get caught in that sub for sub trap. A lot of Facebook groups out there are centered around YouTubers exchanging subscribers, and this only hurts the growth of your channel in the long run. It's a bit of an illusion because you'll see an initial surge of subscribers to begin with, and you might think that things are going well. But what happens is those subscribers are not naturally interested in your content. They're only doing it because you subscribe to them, and they're not going to watch your future videos. What this does is it confuses the algorithm, and the algorithm will actually falsely conclude that your content is bad because your subscribers are not watching it. So whatever you do, as tempting as it is to take this shortcut, please don't, for the sake of the growth of your channel. Also, I would go even more specific than Facebook groups. My original channel is all about how to create stories on an animated storytelling platform called Episode. And in the early days of the channel, which now has over 80,000 subscribers and over 15 million views, I kickstarted its growth by going into the official forums of the Episode app and sharing my videos there. Every one of the eyes that saw my post on those forums were pure targeted potential subscribers. And this really gave me that original surge of subscribers before the snowball effect kicked in and my channel started growing organically. Okay guys, those are the 3 best ways to get your first 100 subscribers. But I want to give you a bonus trick that can get you those subscribers even faster. If you go into the description of this video and click this link, it'll take you over to TubeBuddy, which is a free browser extension that'll help you choose which topics to make videos about. It has a meter that tells you if a topic is predicted to perform badly or excellently, and I never make a video these days without using this tool. This will massively increase your chances of your videos being found in search results. And if you want to take your channel seriously, I cannot recommend TubeBuddy enough for giving you the best chance of being successful. That's it guys, I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, I would love it if you give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, good luck with the growth of your channel, and I will see you all next time.